Hi guys, and welcome back to the show. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Triton Oscillating Belt and Spindle Sander. You know, I need this for an upcoming project, and when I saw it at 40% off, I just couldn't hold back anymore. So let's not waste any more time and let's get this thing unboxed. Yes! Look, I am Nomad Makes. So this is what was inside the box. We have the unit itself, of course, and this is surprisingly light, to be honest. Well, I guess it's mostly empty though. And it comes with a UK plug, but all you have to do is to rip off this thing here. And then there is a normal EU plug inside, which is great. That's what we use in Norway. There's the cover for the belt bath there. There's all these spindles with their appropriate size of sandpaper. Inserts. There's a 4-inch to, this is 2.5 inch. So it's a 4-inch to a 2-inch converter for the dust collection. Then there's the oscillating belt unit, of course. You got some knobs and screws. And there's the warranty papers and the user's manual. And what's interesting here is that all of these things have their own, if Vader can get out of the way. There's like little pockets in this for all of this equipment. So the spindles have their own little places here. There's a place for the belt cover in the back. And when you're not using that, I guess the whole belt assembly fits back here. Yeah, it's nice. And there's space for all of the inserts. There's two on this side. Looks like there's even space for these guys here. You see? Or on this side there's space for the inserts here. I don't know what goes here, but let's see if we can figure it out. All the way back there's actually a space for this knob.
Ah, this table is very important. Too bad you can't read it though. But seriously, the user's manual is actually not that bad. It even has pictures to help you along. At least it beats those crappy Metabo useless manuals.
I guess all there is to do is just turn it on, right? Makes hardly no noise at all.
This is so typical of me. I have a 3D printer and could make adapters for all my tools, but I tend to procrastinate as long as there is a solution, and mine is painter's tape. And that cheering in the beginning was pointless, as the adapter is 2:4 and not 42 inches. But again, that is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more of this machine, make sure to stay tuned for my upcoming content. If you liked this video, please remember to leave a thumbs up. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. Should you want to support me, the race is on to become my first ever Patreon. You'll find a Patreon link and affiliate links to products I use and recommend below. If you don't feel like that, you can help by telling your friends about the channel on your social media of choice. Cheers, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.